Hello everybody, today I wanted to show you a few simple and delicious baby snack recipes. These recipes are going to be so much cheaper than what you're going to get at the store, and they're more nutritious. So the first recipe we're going to start with is sweet potato tater tots. I will put all the recipes in the description below. For this recipe, I just started off with a sweet potato, and then I put in my lentils, which I had cooked in some chicken broth. To that I added some flour and then some seasonings. I did garlic powder and onion powder. Just mix that all together until it's combined, and then I'm going to scoop a little bit out and form it into a tater tot. Once all my tater tots are formed, I'm going to brush them with a little bit of olive oil. Next, you're going to put them in the oven and bake them. Halfway through, you're going to flip them to get each side crispy, and then they're done. They're so yummy, and your baby's going to love them. You can serve them right away as long as they're a little bit cooled down, and you can also freeze them and reheat them later. These are full of great nutrients, and baby can try some different dipping sauces with them too. So next I'm making some yogurt melts. These are gonna have to be kept in the freezer. So first of all, I'm just adding some whole milk yogurt, a banana, and then a handful of blueberries, and I'm just blending that all up with a hand blender. And then I'm pouring that in a little plastic bag so that I can cut off one of the tips and slowly pour each little yogurt melt onto a parchment-lined tray. I'm gonna put these in the freezer for 2 hours, and they'll become hard and I'll be able to store them. I do love these suction bowls that we have. They're really great at actually suctioning to the tray, and they come with these really great lids too. Next up are pumpkin applesauce muffins. So I'm just starting off with some flour. I'm gonna add baking soda and baking powder, some cinnamon, and some pumpkin spice. Mix that all up, and then I'm going to mix together my wet ingredients, which is eggs, pumpkin, vanilla, and some applesauce. Once that's all combined, I'm gonna add my dry ingredients and stir it all up together. You can spray a cupcake tray, or you can use liners, and this is the perfect amount for 12 muffins. Bake those up and they turn out so delicious. They're so moist and soft, and baby loves them. They're full of pumpkin and spice flavors. They're just so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want more great content from me, click subscribe, and take care.